Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about a question that I get asked a lot. Can I port my number to Nextiva? The answer is yes, you can. In fact, porting your number to Nextiva is a pretty easy process. I'm going to walk you through the steps in this video, so you can do it yourself. Before we get started, I want to talk a little bit about why you might want to port your number to Nextiva. Nextiva is a great phone system for businesses of all sizes. It's easy to use, affordable, and packed with features. Here are a few of the benefits of using Nextiva. You can make and receive calls from anywhere in the world. You can use Nextiva's mobile app to make and receive calls from your smartphone. You can set up your own voicemail system. You can integrate Nextiva with other business apps, such as Salesforce and HubSpot. Now that you know a little bit about Nextiva, let's get started with the process of porting your number. Step 1. Gather your information. Before you can port your number to Nextiva, you'll need to gather some information. You'll need your current phone number, your current phone service provider's name, your current phone service provider's account number. Step 2. Contact Nextiva. Once you have your information, you can contact Nextiva to start the porting process. You can do this by calling Nextiva's sales team at 1-800-NEXTIVA or by visiting their website. Step 3. Fill out the porting form. When you contact Nextiva, they will ask you to fill out a porting form. This form will collect information about your current phone service provider and your new Nextiva account. Step 4. Wait for approval. Once you submit your porting form, Nextiva will review it and approve it. This process can take up to 10 business days. Step 5. Connect your new Nextiva phone system. Once your porting request is approved, you can connect your new Nextiva phone system. Nextiva will provide you with instructions on how to do this. That's it. You've successfully ported your number to Nextiva. Here are a few additional tips for porting your number to Nextiva. It's best to port your number on a weekend or on a holiday. This will help to avoid any disruptions to your phone service. Make sure that you have a backup phone number in case there are any problems with the porting process. Be patient. The porting process can take some time. If you have any questions about porting your number to Nextiva, please feel free to leave a comment below. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. And if you're interested in learning more about Nextiva, please visit their website. Thanks for watching.